Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If today is your first time, hi, my name is Elaine. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So in today's video we're going to be doing something very bright. We're going to be doing kind of like summer eye look, just a bright eyeshadow in general. If that's something you want to see, then keep on watching. So just for the sake of this video not to be very long, I've already gone ahead to prep my face. I've cleaned my face, apply moisturizer, primer. So now I'm just going to go straight into my foundation first before I do any other thing. So for today's foundation, I'm still going to be using my foundation from Fina USA, from Fina Makeup USA. I'm going to be mixing these two shades. Yeah, that's what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be using this for my contour, the LA Gear Pro Concealer. And then for my highlight, I'm going to go in with I'm still going to go in with LA Gear Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige for my highlight. I'm using a small beauty blender because I don't want to distribute it all over my face. I just want the highlight on a very small part of my face. So I'm just going to use this to blend. So for my contour, I'm going to go in with my beauty blender to blend my contour. So now that I'm done blending, I'm going to set my highlights on my contour. I'm going to be using the Sacha Buttercup to set my under eyes. So now that I'm done setting my concealer, I'm going to set the rest of my face and then set my contour and also do a reverse contour. For my face powder, I'm going to be using the Flawless Ivy powder. And then for contour, I'm going to be using this dark shade for my CK Cosmetic. It's broken, but I still need this one, so I'm still using it. So since I still have a dark shade here, I've not thrown it away because I need to still use it before I throw it away. So I'm going to be using shades for my contour. I'm still going to blush my face using this one. So for my nose contour, I'm going to be using this small brush for my nose contour. So for my reverse contour, so next up, eye pencil. I'm going to draw my eyebrows. So if you're drawing your eyebrows when you've done your face, your skin work and all of that, you make sure that your eye pencil is very sharp so that you can get the very sharp edges. Jerusalem, 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 Jerusalem. We are going higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. Yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no,
Most Empire.
So now that I'm done highlighting my brow bone, I'm going to use using my eyeshadow primer from Tara. Jerusalem is my home, it's my home, it's my home, it's my home. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Listen. So for my transition color, transition color, I'm going to be using this fluffy brush, still from the Nuban Beauty palette. Then I'm going to use this one. I'm going to be using this shade here. So to cut your crease, you can either use a very flat round brush or you use an angled brush. So for my first color, I'm going to be using this palette from Zaron, the Splash palette. Then I'm going to be using this color, the Flame. Then for the front color, I'm going to use yellow, still from the Zaron palette. So basically what I'm doing is just blending. So I'm going to do the same thing for the other eye. So when applying your eyeshadow for the first time, make sure you pat before you blend. Don't just go in for the first time and start blending. You won't get the best out of it. So the first thing you do, you pat the shadows into the concealer or the primer or into the place you want it to be before you blend. So I just went in with the second blending brush for the second color just to blend where the two meet, to avoid any harsh line. After I'm done, I'll still go in with the third color just to intensify it more. Okay, now that my eyeshadows are done, I'm just going to dust off my face, dust off the setting powder before I line my eyes. So I'm done fixing my lashes. I'm just gonna do my lips right now. So now that I'm done lining my lips, then I'm going to go in with this nude lipstick. Okay, this is the finished look of the makeup. If you like, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!